How to fix a clogged manifold. Materials needed: small screwdriver.
El manifold
We will begin by
revisaremos
unscrewing cap to
que
check
esté
for any
limpio,
obstructions.
que no haya
We are inspecting for any
nada
visible obstructions.
adentro de los hoyos. Usualmente el 90% del
Typically,
problema
dirty manifolds will
es
cause
poner un
uneven
manifold
flows.
sucio.
Examine both
Haremos
sides
que
for
esté
potential
completamente
obstructions.
limpio.
Once obstructions are identified, grab a small
Pasando un
screwdriver to clean out
alambre
any gunk by inserting it into the openings.
viendo que está completamente limpio.
Once we confirm both sides are clear from obstructions, install by screwing manifold onto the end of the Rockland dispenser gun. Once installed, test for even flow and continue to work